Hey everyone, this is Paul with Go Rhino Products, and thank you for joining us for our 2020 SEMA Show presentation. We have some exciting new products to share with you, as well as revisit some of our more popular products. So please be sure to check back daily for new videos from Go Rhino. So here we go. Our next new product that we'd like to share with you comes from our front end protection product category, the RC3 and RC4 skid plate bull bars. We know that today with newer trucks that the front sensors for proximity sensors or adaptive cruise control can make adding some front end protection a little tricky. Well, Go Rhino has actually designed two products for you, the RC3 and RC4. Available with or without Go Rhino's single row 20-inch LED light bar, these new products not only offer you additional front end protection, but also additional lighting. So let's watch these new videos on the RC3 and RC4 skid plate bull bars, and we hope you're excited about them as much as we are. Well, we hope you enjoyed the presentation of our new RC3 and RC4 skid plate bull bars.